I'm here today at Lexus Manila showroom. I was able to request from Lexus Manila that I'm going to take video of the Lexus RZ450e. This is the first fully electric vehicle introduced by Lexus Manila, the RZ450. Now what we'll do is we'll first go around the RZ450. Then we're going to take a closer video of the every parts of this RZ450. The front tire and the rear tire are not the same. The rear tire is a little bigger. I will give the specs later when we have a nearer view of the tire. So we first go around. Now let's look at the headlamp. The headlamp is a single projector bi-beam LED with auto leveling and daytime running light. Also, there's a headlamp washer. I noticed there's a sensor on the side, in front, and two other also. So there were 6 sensors for this RZ. Also, if you notice, there's a front camera which gives you this one is used for the panoramic view camera. Now as for the tire, it uses 235/50 R20 alloy wheels, and also it is front disc brake. The side mirror is power, folding, and auto adjust. You have power door in front and at the back. You could open the whole 4 door with the back door also. At the rear is a fog lamp with LED turn signal, and also the light is goes from left to right. There's also a rear camera, which is also used as part of the panoramic view. So this is a direct 4 engine, meaning there are not engine, direct 4 motor. There are 4 motor for this RZ. Let's take a look at inside. It has a spacious luggage area that can fit a golf bag. However, the spare tire is also put on top here, so which also takes some space because of limitation of electric vehicle. Below this car is the battery, so they have to put the spare tire at the luggage area. You have a fin antenna and the spoiler here. So let's go inside and take a look. We have power window with side mirror adjust, and also the side mirror also folds. As for the driver seat, this is an 8-power front driver seat, and also it used ultra suede material. The switch for the seat memory is here, and I noticed also this is paddle shift. Very rare for electric vehicle to have paddle shift. You have a navigation system that includes CarPlay, and also that is also Android Auto ready. Here, we'll try to see the panoramic view from the 14-inch display. Now, Let's look at some of the other feature. If you notice, this is a dimming panoramic roof. It turns to the frost color, and when you switch it, it will clear the whole screen. This will be for the front and the back sunroof or moonroof. Going to the back, you have a good space. The rear seat, you have option of other material also, or other color also. There are 2 cup holder in the center armrest. Also, let's look closer at the rear aircon. There are 2 USB-C and a cigarette lighter. Another view of the moonroof or sunroof. When you purchase this, it will comes with an AC charger, and it's free installation for Metro Manila owner. And looking at the plug, it uses a standard EV plug, which is a Type 2 plug. This is the most popular plug, kind of plug. Now we're going to go for a test drive, and so we could feel also the RZ450e. So this is a sample of the display. So there you have it. This is a Lexus RZ450e, the first fully electric vehicle introduced by Lexus Manila. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.